Hi everyone, welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing the Samsung Book 4 Ultra. I finally received this. So why do I have this laptop? If you watched my video from last week, you will see that I got the Samsung 360 Pro last week. And you can check out the recording or the video that I made about that in my YouTube channel. But it was beautiful, it was amazing to deal with, not when I needed to do something graphics intensive. So I decided to get the Samsung Book 4 Ultra because I needed something that can do video editing, light gaming, some power user kind of stuff, like scripting, all this kind of stuff. So the 360 Pro had to go. It's a shame because I was really excited about having a 360 computer or laptop, and I know that the Ultra does have a touch screen capability, but it's not going to be S Pen compatible. So you can touch the screen, but you cannot really have all these really precise drawings or like interactions with the screen as you do when you are using an S Pen. Okay, you know what? First impressions, this laptop is more protected than the 360 Pro. The 360 Pro arrived in this box with some paper like inside the bigger box, and that's it. This one has another box to protect it. Already a good sign. Bye bye. They also have the seal, like do not accept if seal is broken, which they didn't really have that on the 360 Pro. Honestly, like Nvidia is trying really hard to have a the Intel Arc graphics card, but it's not there yet. It's not that good. Okay, now we're gonna open the box. I got the 16-inch version of this laptop. Oh, this is thin. This is nice. I honestly thought I don't know how to open it. I thought that this is gonna be a much thicker laptop just because of the RTX 4070 and I'm using a more like power user laptop, let's say. This is beautiful. Really minimalistic, and I'm not the guy that usually likes minimalistic stuff. I would love for all of this to be RGB or something, but it's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. Oh, let me show the stream how it's looking. It's beautiful. So we have the Intel Evo there, NVIDIA GeForce, Dynamic AMOLED, and let's see the adapter, because I think this is a bigger, oh yeah, it is a bigger adapter. I should probably talk to the camera, not to the stream, but I'll talk to both of you guys. So this is definitely a bigger adapter than the 360 Pro. See? So I'm speaking me or rain. So I shouldn't speak in Arabic. So I think this is a 140 watt super fast charging. This is definitely nice to have. I'm not sure I should start the laptop right now. I'm gonna remove the sticker here, which you're gonna see in the end video. So I'm gonna spend some time today setting up this computer or this laptop. I will install some applications, some games, I will do some benchmarking on it so that you see if it takes the load, a good load or not. That's the main reason like I had to get rid of the 360 Pro, right? Because it was good if you are not a power user. but I needed something that would do 4K video editing, that would do some basic games. So I'm pretty excited about this laptop, and I can't wait to share my whole review with you once I am done playing with it for a few days. So keep an eye on the next video.